Igbo mụlụ nze m ọzọ ekene m ụlọ ha na eze ndị Igbo asị na adịla onye ọbụla na ụmụnne m ana m ekenekwu n'ebe ọbụla na-enene m nọrụ mba ofesi na Naịjirịa nọ n'ebe ọbụla ị nọ na-enene m asị m na adịla onye ọbụla na mma ị nọ n'ụzọ ije ekene m gị na-asị na biko asị ekwekuo ama agba biko n'okwu njibịa n'ụbọchị nke taata bụkwa na nkụzi ọya bụ na-eweta like this na-eweta ya bụ nkụzi ọ na-ewute m na ụfọdụ anara ege ụfọdụ anaghị enene na-eweta ya bụ nkụzi like this solukwanụ m na-enene ya na-eshi ekwe ya maka na maha anụkata wetala Igbo ihe ọjọọ ma nnọkata weta ihe ọya bụ nweta ọmandịla onye ọbụla na mma biko nwanne anyị nwoke si ka ọ kụzie ihe ọ na-agba ọkụzi na onye ọbụla kpọrọ onwe ya onye dibịa ọbụla na-anọ online 24 hours na ele time o nweziri o ji agba afa ele time o ji enwe ka ya na ndị ezumezu na-anọkọ ele time o ji enwe ka ya na ndị nzu na ndị egede na-anọkọ o kwuru nya bụ okwu mbọsị asị ka akpọta ya ka egbuo mgbe na-achịdo ododo unu ọ bụ onye kwuo eziokwu ọgọdị ya efue na mmadụ nechara anya sị ka ọ jụọ ndị dibịa ibi ajụjụ jụkwa anụ ụwa na eze ndị asị ebe ọbụla akụ bel unu na-aga unu ama onye nọ ebe ahụ dị unu ama ka o si ebi ndụ ya mana onye pụtazi ya ofile na okwu ya dị ekwu okwukwu ọ na-aka o si dị unu mgbe ahụ bido wetawe teaching excess powerful asị nka but along the line ịma na eziokwu kwụ ọtọ kwụrụ onwe ya maka na mmadụ hapụ eziokwu ya eso jesobe ụzọ dị aṅa emele enu emele ana etele ụgba etele ose ya bụ eziokwu ya emechakwa pụtakwana ife biko nenenu vidiyo nji wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke taa
ụmụnne na ụmụnna ekelela m nnọọ asị abeg if you online anyị kwedinu ka ewe ekele let's greet ourselves let's greet ourselves so abeg nna egbula m egbu na akpara m akpa nna mo na no bite me mo na no you know so achọrọ m anyị kwuo ụka based on good evening Ogbonna Paul ekelela gị so few hours ago I made a post. I wrote something about ndị spiritualists ma ndị nwoke ma ndị nwanyị. I wrote something about them being online 247. If you're a spiritualist and you are online 247, what you should have done is to learn from him. You onwe gị mfọ wakwanụ him kọwaga because gile anya online now almost just you will see. Abeg, I want to ask you a question. You as a native doctor, you as a native nurse, ngewo dibia, ngewo eze nwanyị, you no get work. No, let's call a spade because I wrote it and people even onye ka akpu obi, onye ke bouncer shame that na agwum na chim, that's agwu ke ya, agwu nna ya na agwu nna ya na chim na ya aha adịghị active because ahụ sleep ka ahụ mere I am not writing online. He said that agwu nna ya, agwu the village ya is sleeping and that is why the dibia is not writing online. So I want to ask him. The guy is a bouncer. If you go through his profile, he is one of these people that sleep in the gym. You know, just be carrying weight lifts. Napa weight lifts. Epachage shini heat rentene yo. Ge shini rentene shini dete yo. Ye mecha kwasem mbam sara ya asem dibia is my profession. Are you taking the work of a native doctor as your profession? My brother, may we honor dibia as my profession or what unegi or profession? No, tell me what do I do? Do you expect you can expect to be in a gym na power weight lift like you? Or bouncer? Ejima burial at bomb by Hija Boge. The way they take the call you. Ejima burial at bomb. That's what I would do. Be Abi. I'm a native doctor. That is my profession. Oh, him now. Whether it is my profession or my vocation, I don't care. It is Sean. That is what I do. Oh, him. You see, the same person said that he was insinuating that I am meant to be teaching online 247. My brother, if I am appearing online 247, if I am writing online 247, do you know how long it takes to cut root and herbs for infection? After cutting it, do you know how long it takes to boil them? Do you know how long it takes to afa? That's to conduct a successful divination. Do you know how long it takes to go to the river and come back? Like pack your things. One more say we are going. Follow us to that place. Chwa jakenga. Then jema mini. Assuming it's already walk. Do you know how long it takes to get piece and pieces of okoge together? Me go homaya. No more. Before God say I gotta watch how long, then you can't get the time. Maybe do you know how long it takes to do a spiritual work? Now, some of the people that do these teachings online, as in some of them with their head correct, check them very well. Some of them have specific days when they do their teachings online. So the other days that they are not doing the teaching, does it mean that their more is not active? Or does it mean that they don't have inspiration? While some, they don't have any specific, people like me, I don't have any specific day for teaching. I can teach any day. I can make normal appearance online and we just talk on general topic. But then, inspiration they come, well. But how am I supposed to share my time with my internet? That's my screen time. How am I supposed to share my personal life with my screen time? See, anything you want to do, if you want to live life, live it to the fullest. Anything you want to do at the moment, do you want to drink? My brother, drink well. You're all right. Know that at that point in time in your life, that time is not coming back again. That time will never come back again. Know that at that point in time, football, na field, exercise. Make sure that time ball, don't divide your time. Get your work as a native doctor. Work on those days, make sure that need your opportunity. Get a charge, then if you want to come out online and teach or and talk, make sure that you have gathered all those your inspirations. As inspiration they come, they write them down for your phone. Leave it. Do you understand me? So now the need for people, so many traditionalists want people to notice them. Therefore you go begin teach. Now, because of all those careless teachings, and you know, in the multitude of words, there wanted no sin. They go they talk rubbish. Talk waiting no be Omenala. Inside their talk, some of them will even reveal the secrets. I not blame you people. If you day organization, if you as a native doctor on organization, you can't be coming outside and be talking rubbish. You na organization that will be watching Ndi Igbo sanction amahugi ya osi association your state, association your local government. I no na backyard mega emegi inyu ya no association ga hu ndo okia I ga ma mbi kwuru ka kwuru onu gi. You know that you are not meant to give, no be every knowledge self, whether you sabi the knowledge or not, no be every knowledge that is meant for dogs. It is in your Bible. that the food that is meant for babies shouldn't be taken to the dogs, and vice versa. From some of the esoteric books that I've been reading, some of them will make you to understand, you that feels that you know, you that is a guru, you that is filled with knowledge. Some of these spiritual books will tell you that knowledge should be sought after. It is only when you seek something that you will find it, and when you find it, there will be this gratitude in you that you have found that which you sought after. You will have to go and knock. You can't expect me as a native doctor, I'll come out online and start teaching you how to cure Attire because I want to create content, because I want to draw you to myself. That means I'm not working. That means I'm not busy, because I'm writing Monday kewo jargon, Monday kewo ndomaya. I'm writing every time online. I'm making videos online. And now so the person go they talk, put himself for trouble. Is it not how our brother put himself into trouble the other day when he was talking about now some boys now can say, okay, we won't see those things where you get. No, is it not part of it? At least these are some of the speculations. Let me not say that I am sure. I'm not sure that this is what happened, but these are some of the speculations that were spreading online then. You see? Too much talk, Aremma. How can you be talk? How can you be? Somebody also said the internet is meant to kind of make you to make more money or something like that. Am I not making money through the internet? Some of you that know me as a native doctor, all on internet can know shima ame. All internet can know shima ame. No for the name all internet can know shima ame. Am I not? Must I come out online and make videos and teach every time before you know that my agwu is now coming? Some of you that are teaching jargon and trash on Facebook, if I come to you and say this thing where you teach, I am interested in that you're teaching, perform this thing for me. Ya come okotula. Ya okotula, ya Ishi. Because they rubbish. It is not agwu that is talking to you. You are talking out of the abundance of your ignorance. I've never seen an Okada man, an Okada rider that is always online 247. You know they find passenger again? Are you no longer on transit? I've never seen a bus driver that is always online 247. You know they switch the bus driver. Why won't the bus driver come and start teaching us the parts, the mechanical parts of the bus? Since you want to make money online, since online, I get show video online. They tell you say now video and teaching they give money online. I've never seen a bus driver or I've not even seen a banker that will come and start teaching you the depths and intricate systems and pros and cons of banking. I never see banker where come out. Unless you are a disavowed banker, unless you have been retrenched or or you have been sent out of the banking industry. You know, girl, I've not seen a lawyer that is acting lawyer where we say every time you can a case file where you carry. Every time as a lawyer, you carry your case file. Is that you're studying case or you are studying case or you are studying case or you are studying case you don't have time to come online. You don't even have time to start writing jargon about law, lawsuits, law firm, law this and law that. You don't have time. Once in a while, you can make appearances. Maybe once in a week. Maybe twice in a week. You can make appearances. Does it mean that you are no longer working? Does it mean that they are no longer calling up your cases in the courts? They are calling up your cases, but something else is taking your time. I told people that silent water runs deep. No just come out, they talk choro. There was a time when I was talking like that online, but I grew up. Some of the things I tell you people, I'm talking to spiritualists now. Go. Say you they do video online 247. Say you they write online 247 does not show your ruggedity in spiritualism. Rubbish. You are indirectly telling people that you are less busy. People no go there for your shrine, they wait for you. Game wait time, maybe unless they gather and made the thing once. Maybe the thing no agree you. That thing where you want teach. You just do once, couple. Still, it'll take you for your time. Still, it has taken your time. A native doctor, as the one, you should have na human being where all of us be. There are occasions, there are club meetings. Get a meeting in a club, okay. Get a PTA meeting, omoge. Get a PTA meeting in school, omoge. Get a so many engagements. So this is why if you are busy, you still schedule your time. So why would I say that people should mind how they talk online? And I wrote it and I said, if it is not fetching you money. You know why I said if it is not fetching you money? Your appearances online and your likes and your comments and the comments you have gathered, if it is not fetching you money, my brother, just focus your time on Oromwoge. Focus your time on Oromwoge. To me, one video with enough shares is okay for you. People will see your posts. From there, they will go through your teachings. If they like you, they will come to you. To me, that is how I see it. No be more say, if you have not monetized your page, and if you have monetized your page, you get me no video. Ije toilet, you get me video. Get you washing, get me video. Get you ahun, get me video ya. Get wasu, get me video ya. Get ready, get me video ya. Get log, get me video ya. Get manaka, get me video. Then you can go ahead. Then it is fetching you money. But if it is not fetching you money and you onye dibia, he fetch go ogwe woga na aje choga. As a majuoge, as you dey online 247, you say you dey teach. Ikushigishin negi ikushigishin nage. Question what I want to ask you. If you eludi busy, you get so many guys what they see, every time, and you know, mama no kogidre heno yono agwu. The person will now begin to call inyo, begin to talk. Here no hunuku akwụkwọ. Ha wo omenala at all. Ha ri omenala owo. Ema. Onye ola anu ne enwe onye toga ya odu. If you eno enwe onye toga ga odu, ha ojo mere gi. Ntomodu ejikwa na asala ya asa. If you are the spiritualist, if you are a native doctor and you are seeing this my video now, I don't expect you to retort. I don't expect you to counter. Go inside and sleep. After all, many native doctors that are not online, that are in the villages, they are making it, they see food chop, they work. No be internet blow them. Now we are lucky. We are lucky that we have found the internet. Don't go and use the internet as if you are now a content creator. If you are a content creator, tell us say you be content creator, you know be native doctor, you know get to work for your chamber, for your shrine. Tell us say na content creating, now you take the chop. Then teaching. Oh, you get one man no kushini o to call kushini. The man as in kushini like this is baka mishi. Baka Mishi. No. This man has derailed. If you have a native doctor, if you have a union of native doctors in your village, in your town, in your city, if you belong to a union of native doctors in your city, in your town, in your village, know how make those native doctors no see within the nonsense they talk online. If they don't caution you, they will sanction you. They will take their certificate away from you. They will disassociate with you. Then if you have problem, government problem, legal problem, they will leave you. Ngwajeje me ha he practice. Ebe na chogi mari omenala. Ina chogi gba anyi sha hu woge na ihe no mana ke mgbagbo. Ihe no mana ke mgbagbo. Ina chogi mari ya gba anyi sha hu. Agwugo tarakara na ji ego ole. If you as a native doctor belong to union, the kind things where some of you they talk now, nobody they talk them online. Even the kind secret where when they talk online, some of you know they talk them online. you no go dey talk am online. If the native doctor sef, your fellow native doctor wey dey for the same union with you, if they no see your post, their children go show them your post. They will call you to order. Let's forget the fact that internet. Let's forget the fact that I make a fine boy and fine girl. You are not meant to misuse what is meant to program you. Or is it not the all quote internet team left, right, and center? Now the same internet where people make adverts and adverts magic. And you know what magic is? Magic is sleight of hand. Something where you know say this thing is just science project or marker. You go do them and pass it off as spirituality. Pass it off as Omenala. Dibia, obalatule ogo kala ogo. Obalatule ana agwo nere. Whereas here home marker. Una don't do am so bloggers, content creators now use them. Now if you know be strong man, you come outside talk say you be dibia, person will slap you. Man we kicha can't take bag chain ogu adigire chain enwe headache ogu chain enwe he game my head disgrace alagi with disgrace alagi. But tell me, in the olden days, who you be want to see person who be dibia, you go come they insult them or they talk to them carelessly, even online. The highest you can do to a native doctor that is online, I'm talking to you, I'm telling you as at 2 years ago, 2-3 years ago, the highest you can do, say you don't like this native doctor, is to unfollow the native doctor. That home or you don't like it, or you feel that he's going to hellfire, you'll unfollow it. But look at now, people will talk to native doctors anyhow. Oh, more bash na nika. More bash na mamre na nika. Neporo nwe dibia na eze nwanyị. Wetin ima na enwere he dibia jikari ibe ya. Are you not aware? Enwere he dibia jikari ibe ya. Enwere he dibia ama onye ọzọ dibia ọzọ ama. You know this thing, but another dibia no know. Another dibia wants to know it. The dibia will come and sara og. Mere anye ja say manu jere mba dibia. You start carry your car keys, start your motor and travel to a far distance. Look, find that native doctor, go there. Tell him say na nyindewo. De kwa hempa alage le hembu alage abirame mbadibia abirame sarog. Gwam he basarog. The dibia will tell you, but today the same things anye je ku eje mbadibia. Una na they talk am online. Today I say even no fake, even somebody that is not interested in tradition now has a fair knowledge of what you do as a native doctor. Whereas some of these things are the things that you are supposed to use it and carry another dibia. So a dibia also ga bia like mbadibia. Bia na aka ge bia sarog. Bia na shrine ge bia sarog. Because of your flippancy and the need for people to clap for you. Who are the people that are clapping for you? Online. Who are they? The same people that you are trying to impress. If you have problem tomorrow, they are the same people that will laugh at you. If they can laugh at Akwa Okuko, where they spray money anyhow. Akwa Okuko, where they give money anyhow. Akwa Okuko, where they say if you get problem, he go give you. Akwa Okuko, where single-handedly tar his road, his village road, a grade down, a taran, single-handedly. If misfortune can happen to him and people will turn around, the same people where they fail go and they go tumble upon the same people that are sleeping in his comment section looking for a chance to get giveaway or a chance to be favored by the same ego, by the same ego nye dibia. If he can have misfortune and the same people that are there will open mouth and begin to write, use their finger, the same finger they used to type their account number in his comment section, the same finger, they use the same finger, write content against him. If they can treat him like that, then who are you? Edina Nog was a good man to his people. He was a good man to his people. He had misunderstanding with him, misunderstanding, and it took his life. Some people still came and cajoled him. Some people were happy that he had the misfortune. So now, if all these things, if you understand that you as a native doctor, there are ethics. We have ethics. There are codes in our profession. If you can understand all this, then who are you trying to impress online? By the time you are empty, because as inspiration they come, you do not even digest it. Some of you that are teaching rubbish online, bring this coconut or bring this alligator pepper, bring this something. You know they even practice what they teach. People will do that thing that you said they should do. Their road go close. Pata pata. Some of you, the things you teach, you know they practice them. You have not practiced it. Now your mind, they just tell you rubbish. You go come online, on camera, begin talking. You as you may have now, you give me that result where you tell people say, see what you will get. You know, you go be the opposite. Some of you now, you have not practiced what you want to dish out to the public. You are not sure that this information that you want to dish out to the public is a fact. You're not that sure. But the need to maintain a certain amount of internet presence will not allow you to cool down and think. It will blind you. It will clog your mind. You will rush out. Thank you. Email teaching. I say replicate the other thing now. Replicate it. Or even duplicate this thing. Make it work that thing. You no go work. But then, if you had cooled down, check him a call work. Ya work get with a tiger apple. Carry and put inside your apple. Apple one dibia and when he koroya. Get with that knowledge. Tiger you have armed yourself with another knowledge. Knowledge is power. Then you try them. You do the experiment, you know work. You do what? You discard it. Or you begin to look for waiting I put inside this thing will make them no work. Or waiting I go minus from this thing so that it go work. Or waiting I go add into this thing, this juju, where go make them work. Or the way where I take toward this saja. How will I add so that it will work? You don't get that patience. You just rushed. Griba! Email a video. For your mind, your agwu they work. For your mind, your chi no they sleep. Just like that boy there in that previous post that I made. One app will be boy. This same boy has not the boy with all JJ. I think he's a bouncer on the JJ burial. Pa alam manapa. JJ burial. Aporo nwa haya 10,000, 15,000. Aporo nwa pa apa. Nyeshia ubi. Apa arise. Nwa bafe abakiade. Rie von rice anga rotwila na German shepherd riga rice. Von rice anga nketa no obo kemba 2 weeks. That bouncer boy that was telling me the internet this, the internet that, his agwu may be sleeping, his chi may be sleeping. That is why he is not making teaching online. As a man, he's teaching the primary purpose of a native doctor. How many times have your Western doctor come online to teach? Check anybody that is teaching online. Check anybody that is teaching a certain profession online. That person is less busy in that profession. Unless that person has a scheduled time to make his teaching. Or the person comes in randomly. Something. You know? When they write, don't you know that you even, are you not aware that you should crave attention with absenteeism? Don't you know that when you are absent or when you have been absent for some time, your appearance will become louder? Are you not aware? No who sense. Some of you that are countering school, the people that are countering me, the school where you go, they affect you well. Psychology, you don't know. Logic, you don't know. The same spirituality always go kuya. If some of these people that are doing Dibia, some of you now waiting, you still learn from internet. Now they do trial and error. Nobody did you know you are not, your village don't even know you as Dibia. Some of you, your village don't even know. If you talk to, if they go to your village now and ask questions about you, some of you now your village some of them go say ayata. Some of them will say you are doing occultic practice. Anyama honye mega. Some of them will say that. But online, you are a king kong. I still want to go back to that boy, that bouncer. I want to ask him, how many times have you come online to teach us, you as a bouncer, as somebody where they go gym, where they carry weight lift, they carry the puff, apu ejuge benine. In Ajum, if native doctor is my profession, it is my profession. You as a bouncer, bouncing is your profession. I want to ask you, how many times have you come online to teach us how to develop our left chest or how to develop our right chest? Now, how many times do you come online regularly to teach us body fitness, to teach us bodybuilding? But you want a native doctor to be online all the time, teaching you the secrets of his trade. Whoever told you that being a native doctor is not a profession, whoever told you that being a native doctor is not a business, is a bloody liar. It is business. Anything you do in exchange for money is business. See, you know me, I know the mean sweats. I don't hide things. I don't care if I'm not going to tell you so that you will accept me. Okay, say, oh, he's a good person. Oh, he's not a charity organization. My brother, I'm not a charity organization. I charge money for. If you want to do AFA, I charge you for AFA. I charge you for charge, I'll charge you. Automatically, that makes it business. You pay for my services, and that is business. Every business, every trade has its secrets. Every trade, every business has its secrets. Go to Ochanja market, go to Alaba International Market. JJ Loma can they can't come outside and start telling you what their Oga taught them about how to convince a customer to buy and even buy what he doesn't want to buy. That is the secret of their trade. That is the secret of their trade. Eche ma how far? Bia muonu. Bia batana shop ko ga kuzele golo. Bia ba odibo, ba boy for 4 years or 7 years. Emecha edu ogi n'olo. You see, this process has a way of disciplining the people that are in that line of business, people that are in that trade. But because some of us not even pass through apprenticeship or even mentorship, let me use it that way. Some of us not pass through mentorship in Orudibia. That is why you think that if once you know where to buy use, you know where to buy yod. And otu mumu somewhere Gwarageshe Udibia or Niweze Wani. Gaba Pimahia. Jesuman Zunedo, Zoo Bese. Before you know, I'm Ibumala Okoko. On our gay lap honor, Hola brain, get coconut, get this one, mix this one with this one, bring a palm oil, bring egg, burn it, come out to 4 junction, come out to 3 junction, come out to this. The same thing that you are telling somebody to do. The same thing that you are telling somebody to do, you have not done it before. You as the person, you as the native doctor when they talk about, you have not done it before and recorded any success therein. You have not. Well, because you want it to be that the things that are coming out from your mouth are spiritual. And content no they finish. Every time content for this thing. Therefore, you go for corrugation ku ashonya boki. Ku ashonyara, then you ashwa monohono, then it okasa use hoje, then it was say na main road. Offer korogegwanye like that. We ashinke, we ashonye rime. We are ushoje 32. We are granite, na banana, na akwukwo plantain, mix here. Because to you people any in our content, if that thing really they work, if that thing really they work, if you get sense, you know go come out, come talk am. Because that is part of your power. That knowledge is part of your power. And that is the reason why some native doctors go they do work. They go see say this work don't dey tough. They go carry phone. Call another native doctor. Say a doc, nde wosa, oboche tama alage mma, ya gaji nage. Monday jeje la goji, mbola goji. mmụọ ndị ji enye nri nwa adịkwala gị azụ. Biko he nkwa akpọga gị wụ achọrọ m ịbịa your place, enwere ọrụ m chọrọ sị ma gị rụọ. There is a work, there is a job I want us to join. I want us to join hands and forces, that's join or four together and perform. If you go to that native doctor, the native doctor will search in his agwu. That's it is how do I put it? Not really his agwu. It's just like a parable. Parable. He will search in his wealth of knowledge and wisdom. Can he be able to provide solution to this problem? Can he be able to be of use in your quest for solution for that problem? Why? Because that is his knowledge. If you knew that thing, or if you know that thing that took you to his house, will you go? You will not go. Then if he knows that knowledge and he has spilled it online, even those that don't believe in Omenala, even those that will see solid knowledge that you have as a native doctor, people that will see solid knowledge that you have as a native doctor, they will trample on it. They will discard it. It is knowledge being sought by many. Many seekers are seeking for it, but because you have thrown it where it doesn't have any meaning, it won't be valued there. It will not be valued. You are insulting the Mmo Yuriga Chanuku, all in a bid to show people that Agwoge and the Chigi na arụ ana akọgara gị Ishi gị ka ọdụ gị. Eli Isiokwu mewu, as far as I'm concerned, any dibia where they sleep online, where they sleep for screen, is less busy. You no get work. Na me talk am. Any dibia where we say every time ikushinga Nekwela mgba nọ sị agbara nkuzi akụgbukwala nọ. Any dibia where every time you dey online, you dey teach, you dey respond to messages. Never bring out, if me I make a more phone, I go check messages. Once I get time, I will follow you people up. If you insult me, I go take time and insult you back. You write well for me, I go write well for you. You throw negative energy at me, as you take pain me, I go forward negative energy at you too, so that it go pain you, so that if at the first you go the first. Then if you are a guru, if you know how to, if they put negative energies on you, give me your shoulder, if you know how to do it, fine and good. Me, I go do my own, you go pass, and I go wire you my own. Then once I've responded to all those people, both the negative and the positive comments, a different thing altogether. Yauro ma goma, yauro aja ma chuma, yauro bia ma ngoma bia, yauro meeting meje meeting, yauro to sleep ma na hona, yauro siesta ma bia onene, yauro siesta me take a siesta, yauro eba game ma ba ma game. Do you understand? Yauro kwano that na enwere he nom na akpere nchọrọ ikwu aya by force, then I'll on my screen and begin to. So ye wutela nno, ye wela giwe me, you know, I don't know how to pretend as if I won't onye agwu. Nchikwu ụka eji ma forceful in my statements, so don't see it. I'm not are onye ọjọọ nwo, are onye ọjọọ. It's just that I have this way of making forceful statements. I have this way of making forceful statements, so that but then in the same way, I believe that it gets some people where they offend. So if my video has offended you in any way, calm down, make it not offend you. Yeah, tomorrow we will still sit down somewhere, drink beer, or you can come to my shrine. We will still walk. If it has not offended you, if you like it, Chukwu goziegi, Chineke goziegi na ikuma kwoka, ikuma eziokwu tomorrow, eziokwu ndị mmadụ ga na akwasa ihe ikwu gawa eziokwu. Or him shema agwan. So that I'm not coming online 247 does not mean that I'm not wearing clothes. Or I no get clothes where I go take come online. Or I no get new clothes where I go take come online. Or my chi, they tell me waiting I go talk. My agreement with my chi and agwu is not to come online and teach you. That is not my agreement with them. My agreement with them, yes. That is my agreement with my chi and agwu. No be to come online, come they teach you, they collect 20 likes and 300 likes. That is not even the agreement. That is not the agreement in the first place. That is not the agreement in the first place. You see, first things first, I have to prioritize the covenant I have with my Ohammo. Any other thing I'm doing, whether teaching online or just making online appearance, or I will show you where they play, or making jokes online, all those ones na jara. It does not determine how busy a native doctor is in his shrine. That is not it. Instead, in reverse psychology, anybody that makes steady, constant appearance online, me personally, Jahoya Asonia or less busy. That is how I see it. Less busy. You are every day online, every day every day Esagande man, Ibagamba, Imega teaching, Itichigake, bring this one, bring that. If you they work, you go get time. You go get time. They do those things. You are just you are the reason why you are not even short. A word is enough for the wise. A word is enough for, and I've spoken plenty words here. Anybody again from today that tells me to sleep on my screen, I will go and check your wall and know whether you are sleeping on your screen by virtue of your own occupation, by virtue of your own profession. And don't do shinama come to yes, because ndoshi jukare junga ndoshi no chapa Facebook or I don't have Facebook. So you will for Akwa online for Jiani Beja baby. Nyamanye lecture us Beja baby na beji our fence by your man. Lecture us on beji akere him man, page is Zulu charger man, na page is Zulu motor man. Lecture us on page is Zulu car battery in the man. Yes, so that we go no say wait till you they do your chi support you and your agwu support you. Do you understand? Iwuru onye gbagbuorie maka ndị bricklayer mụchakwanga. Teach us onele. Teach us how to mix cement. Be teaching us every time. Time you get in a block. Time you get in a 2 block. When I think a block is 50 naira or thereabout, another 50 or 45 naira per block. Yes. Time when you go take the mold block, the hangam, or time when you go take the carry block, they put them, carry block, put them, carry block, put them. Use that time, come online, be teaching us how to mix cement, how to mix a kereke stone, cement, sharp sand, and all-purpose sand. Be teaching us those things. No, use your time, go work. You go use your time, work. You expect native doctor to use his own. They online, they teach you all the time. And if native doctor advises his co-native doctors to at least, just minimize your screen time. If native doctor advice, you go say the ones where they come online, they are akukoga. Ndewo ya gajila nwoke gajila nwanyị almost your parabara mmiri bola. I dey talk my own how you take be ọmụdi bịa ahụshi onye zotu agwu ezu aha ya ezotu homa agwu apam agwu kemishi. Yes, edere ya ishi mikpe edere ya agwu ishi. Ọmụdi bịa ahụshi onye chiala mma chiala ya onye kele so ekele ya. Ọmụdi bịa ahụshi onye shi ọ garịla mma ọ garịla ya mma. Onye chekwa na ha garịla mma ihe ike na ọdachi ga na-eme nga ya mana abịala ya mgbaru. Dibia ahụ kwuru ya, and I talk with my full chest. Yes, dibia ahụ ejebi ụzọ pa asuola nnuhe before other native doctors ememe ya. Yes, na me be that native doctor wey first begin the wear earring, gold earring, still tell una say some people come here, come insult me, come cajole me, come talk wetin they talk, say, but now all una native doctors, they wear, many of them they wear earring. Na me be the native doctor. The very first native doctor, kụrụ shrine ya tile that year. Kụrụ shrine ya tile that year. Ndị mma na-asị, ndị mma na-abịa na-asị, dibia suppose dey for bacha, dibia suppose dey for mud house. But today, even the ones wey can't get money pass me, don't even build. In fact, if you see their all more be like mansion. You see am? Yes. Omonya heja pa alam no updates. So ngwa geshege. Omonya heja enye na ndị dibia na ndị ke nwaanyị updates. Yes. So ngwa even aka mnya n'olu. Ọkpakpọ. So ngwa geshege emela pa mma. You know good. Ebata kwa mbata. Tomorrow you will still see reason in that thing. Now maybe that dibia where they talk English, where they use English talk, where they use better English, do my teaching. People descended on me. Say dibia where they speak English, that one na dibia. A dibia is supposed to be an illiterate. But today, dibias they pay, illiterate dibias they pay people to handle their account for them. People who sabi speak English, they pay them to handle their account for them. Dibia when you see say if he come out for live video, they talk. That dibia they mix tenses. If they mix tenses up, he go carry is put and where was they, carry was put and where they carry where put and where weren't they. That same dibia when he now come right, he go see say they write perfectly. Waiting happen, somebody has written it for him. Oh, so una know the value of education. So una chala the value of education. Then una come see young boy dibia we go school small. You can't attack them because say they speak English. All of una go eventually go adult education. No give me adult education. Apanu. No give it adult education. Akujan no. Say after me. B. Repeat. B. Ch. D. F. G. B. No give me yes. Likewise, the ones who be say that they make appearances regularly online. Now where I don't they talk them. Say you are just insulting yourself. Now what they talk them, una will eventually become mute. You will eventually learn how to talk as at when due, not to speak carelessly, not to be flippant online. Ndewo ya gajina woke gajina wa na osi oparabara mmiri bola kanu no oli ya gazie
ona eze ndị Igbo anụ ekene kwa onye ọbụla biko si na-enecha vidio anyị na-eshare anyị ya vidio na-eshare yes na-eshare ya n'ike ishiyecha ya egbela notification gị ka na-agbicha notification gị ka na drop your comment na comment section share bịa onwe ha bụ na ịgba mbọ na-eshare kwa onye ọzọ turukwa gị n'afọ maka na nweta ihe na-adịrọ mma na this channel ama m the implication ama m ihe ọ ya abụ na ghọtago ona nsị ga anyị nwekwa na Facebook page follow na na Facebook anyị it's very obvious na some people amụrụ na ona nnọkịta na mbụ na nchọ ka m na-enwe 20 million views 1 million views 100,000 views I know what to do amam but now akwụkwọ nsọ there is a way that seems right unto a man amam ihe mmemme amam ka ya esiti ya inye m 1 week ịpụta na channel ya na afọ 100,000 20,000 but na ka anyị wele ya nwayọ na ebe onye ọsọlu onye ije yelukwa dị ọba wuli iti igwe na-acha ha acha biko nụ ka ị na-agbalụ mbụ ya na-agbalụ mbụ ma na-ewetelu nụ na na-eshi ya na-adrọp kwa nọ kọmentị unu ị na-agbasi onye ọzọ na-afịa makwa na enwe ha na-akpọ liberation a na-abịa ihe onye na-amara ọmalia maka na ofu onye ada amachakwa na ihe amacha maka na atụ n'inu si na-agbakọ aka nye ọma amịlị ọgbọ ọfụfụ agbakọkwa n'ọnụ agba izu na ndị ilo ama nnụ ya onye ilo ama mbata ebe nwanne na nwanne nọkwanụ n'otu ọ na-aghọta biko nụ ka anyị nwere mgbe ọzọ ụmụnna